Oh, hi guys. This is just a quick tutorial showing you how to save time using PHP. Well, time and a lot of effort on your websites. So basically, if you follow along with what I've got, I've just done a very simple dummy page here. You don't need the top part. Um, that's just to create the effect of there being a page with some content in. The key line here is the PHP at the footer. So it's hyphen, or opening bracket rather, question mark PHP include speech mark footer dot PHP speech mark closing bracket question mark, and that other kind of closing tag there. You can visually see what I'm talking about, so if I get it wrong. Anyway, yeah, so have this saved in a directory for your website. Now the idea is that if you have the PHP include footer.php, that means that's giving the website a command to load up your footer every time dynamically from another file. The file is of course going to be called footer.php. Now this is really handy because it means whatever your footer is, you're not going to have to worry about when you say your client wants to change a couple of things, you can change it on one file. You're not going to have to use search and replace or anything. You can just change it once and it'll be in that one footer file there that's called remotely. Okay, so next thing would be, I guess, create new PHP, create file, save it as. Now save this in the same directory. So you're going to save it as footer.php, save. Okay, and now I'm just going to create a quick footer just to show you. So on using Dreamweaver, insert, spry menu bar. Yep. Say horizontal because that's generally how a footer would be. And let's just see, it's a very basic one. Obviously you can edit this with CSS and things. The other good thing is any CSS rules that you apply to this footer will just save all of that. File save all. Any CSS rules you apply to the footer on you know in your main directory there, it will be applied even though it's the files linked remotely. So that should work. The point of the video is just to show you how to do this. It's a very simple piece of PHP, so it can make you feel like, oh, I'm using PHP, but but it's actually practical as well because it saves you a lot of time. You don't have to do any search and replace, etc., etc. So let's just upload that to a my web server and just make sure it's working. Oh, hiya. Yeah, so I uploaded this file onto my web server and I found a little problem. It didn't actually work, but the reason it wasn't working was because my index file was not saved as a PHP. It's always important you have to do that, no matter what the code. It has to be index.php, not .html, because .html does not play PHP code, does not play ball with it. Okay, and then so as you can see, it worked. The footer is there. I have not hard coded that footer onto that page. It's come through the includes PHP. Make sure the directory link is in the correct area, of course, otherwise it won't appear either. And you can see there, that's a nice remote footer there for using PHP. Cheers.